Hello children, welcome back to our part 2 video. So as you all know that today we have completed in part 1 video we have completed the reading and explanation of our fourth chapter, that is the monkey band. So today I hope children that you all have first of all watched my part 1 video carefully and read the chapter twice and thrice at home. And now children, in this video, part 2 video, I am going to give you one notebook exercise. So for that children, you have to take out your English literature notebooks and turn to a new page. Before I start with today's exercise children, I want to tell you all that yesterday I gave you one notebook exercise to complete in your practice notebook. So I hope you all have completed your hard words in your practice notebook, and those who have not completed, please complete that also, because these words are very important for your English dictation. Okay, now coming to a new page, here today we are going to do word meanings. So first of all, you will write down today's date, that is 6/7/2021. Then in the next line you will give the heading of chapter number 4, the monkey band, and in the next line you will give the heading of the exercise what we are going to do today. So that is part A, word meanings. Okay, so I hope you all are ready children. Very good. So first word is, I will write the meanings and I will explain you also. First word is merry, M-E-R-R-Y, merry. And what is the meaning for the word merry? Happy and full of joy. So how you will write? After the dash you will write H-A-P-P-Y, happy, A-N-D and F-U-L-L, full, O-F, of, J-O-Y, joy, full stop. Happy and full of joy. The word is merry and the meaning is happy and full of joy. Clear? Now coming to the second word, that is howling, H-O-W-L-I-N-G, howling. So what is the meaning of howling children? Making a long and loud sound. So here you will write making, M-A-K-I-N-G, making, a, L-O-N-G, long, A-N-D and L-O-U-D, loud, sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Okay, comma, like, L-I-K-E, like, crying, C-R-Y-I-G, crying. Is that clear? So when you are when you will learn these word meanings children, so for the word howling you can only write making a long and loud sound. If you are not able to remember like crying, so it's okay, you don't learn it. Making a long and loud sound will be the correct meaning for howling. Clear? Now coming to the third word, that is shrieking, S-H-R-I-E-K-I-N-G, shrieking. So the word shrieking and its meaning is making a high and loud sound. Making a high, H-I-G-H, high, and A-N-D and L-O-U-D, loud, sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. The word howling, shrieking and chattered एक तरीके से इनका सेम ही मीनिंग है. ओके, मेकिंग अ लॉन्ग एंड लाउड साउंड, श्रीकिंग का मीनिंग है मेकिंग अ हाई एंड लाउड साउंड. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर that you can write any meaning for any word, okay, for these two words. Clear? Now coming to the fourth word, that is chattered, C-H-A-T-T-E-R-E-D, chattered, making a loud noise, M-A-K-I-N-G, making a L-O-U-D, loud, N-O-I-S-E, noise. Is that clear children? I hope you all have understood. Now turn the page. Coming to the fifth word, that is hollow, H-O-L-L-O-W, hollow. And the meaning for the word hollow is a hole or empty space inside something. So how you will write? A hole or E-M-P-T-Y, empty space, S-P-A-C-E, space, inside, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside, something, S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something. किसी भी चीज़ के अंदर एक खाली जगह का होल होना, होल है या फिर वो खाली है बिल्कुल किसी भी चीज़ के अंदर, सो दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ मीनिंग ऑफ hollow. ओके, hollow क्या है? एक होल जो कि खाली है किसी भी चीज़ में. ओके, now coming to the next word, that is rattles. So you all know what are rattles. I explained you today also in my part 1 video. Toys that make loud sounds when they are shaken. So here you will write toys that make a loud loud sound sound when shaken. shaken shaken. ओके, जब आप उन टॉयज को हिलाते हो तो जो आवाज़ आती है शेक करने पे, दैट इज नोन एज रैटल्स. Clear to you all? Now coming to the 7th word, that is vines. vines, vines. So what is the meaning of the word vines? Stems of plants that can climb. stms, stems of plants, 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 that that can climb, climb. ओके, जो स्टेम्स प्लांट्स की क्लाइम कर सकती हैं, क्लाइम करती हैं, उनको हम वाइन्स बोलते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ लास्ट वर्ड, दैट इज द 8th वर्ड, एंड द वर्ड इज exclaimed. exclaimed, exclaimed, and the meaning is said something loudly to show surprise. said, said something loudly to show surprise. surprise. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood these 8 word meanings. Once again I am repeating, listen to it carefully. First word is merry, 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 and the meaning is happy and full of joy. ओके, merry means जब आप बहुत खुश हो, बहुत हैप्पी हो और हैप्पीनेस से जब भरे हुए हो, फुल ऑफ जॉय हो, so that means you are very merry. Now coming to the second word, that is howling. howling, howling, and the meaning is making a long and loud sound like crying. okay, बहुत ज़ोर से रोने जैसी आवाज़ बनाने को is known as howling. Coming to the third word, that is shrieking. shrieking, shrieking, making a high and loud sound. बहुत तेज़ चिल्लाने की आवाज़ को हम shrieking बोलते हैं. Now coming to the 4th word, that is chattered. Now chattered means when you are talking very loudly, you make a loud sound, that is known as chattered, and the meaning is making a loud sound. Is that clear? Now next page, 5th word is hollow, and the meaning is a hole or empty space inside something. किसी भी चीज़ के अंदर कोई एक empty space है या hole है, that is known as hollow. okay, 6th word is rattles. You all know that small children play with toys, and when they shake those toys, it makes a loud sound, and those toys are known as rattles. Clear? Now coming to the 7th word, that is vines. And what are vines, children? Stems of plants that can climb. जो stems होती हैं plants की, जो ऊपर चढ़ती हैं, that is known as vines. And coming to the last 8th word, that is exclaimed, means said something loudly to show surprise. आप किसी चीज़ से सरप्राइज हो, तो आप अगर कोई सरप्राइजिंगली कोई बात बोलना चाह रहे हो, so that is known as exclaimed. Is that clear? So that is all for today's video, children. So your today's assignment is to first of all read the whole story twice or thrice at home, and then write these word meanings in your notebooks, English literature notebooks, by today itself. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood what your teacher have told you today. So please complete all your work accordingly, and make sure you always write your date and assignments and the headings of your chapters and the exercises what you are doing. So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.